Hello, I'm Harold. I'm here on the Hunt 1000 as well. Everything's going okay, with ups and downs, but it's a pretty nice experience.
Very good, there you go. So it's day 8. We're rolling out of a great little campsite down there this morning. Little river, beautiful. Cruising up the Mount Hope Road. Oh, I can see the summit, that's nice. Just another cracking day to be on the bike. About 80 k's to Khancoban today. So we're hoping to get there. See what the day brings.
It's all downhill from here.
No, there's none of that on the hunt. Yeah, that'll be the Murray down there.
Mighty Murray.
The mighty Murray, that's right. The beautiful Groggin Station on the emergency access road to their footbridge, which is very fortunate, otherwise we wouldn't be getting across the Murray today. Up on the bitumen now, heading towards Khancoban. I think we've got about 50 k's to get there, so hopefully we'll make it there today. Pretty warm now. Woo. Just cruising along the highway, it's pretty nice. A little bit tired though. No surprise there though, eh? Not much traffic, which is also really nice. Enjoying your hunt so far?
Yes, mostly. An overall positive experience with a couple of exceptions.
Very good.
All right, take care, man.
Cheers, mate. Have a good ride, boys. Important job to do on the hunt. Keep your water supply clean. And bring a spare washer for your soya mini filter, because I just lost mine. It ain't no good now. That's another hunt tip. So the reality of the hunt is, although you get a crap load of ridiculously good descents, you get an equal amount of pretty intense climbs They just keep going and going and going. And when it's hot like it is now, it's hard work. 17% average going up this hill. It's about about 1.5 k's long. So Dan likes to throw these little surprises in there, so whatever you think might be easy, it's always going to be some challenge. That's part of the reason it's so good. So thanks, Dan. This has been a serious ball buster, this one. Not long now. Feels good in the water.
Refreshing.
It's really refreshing. Gotta love the high country. Not far now, I can see town, so we're not that far away. Back out onto the bitumen for a few more k's into Khancoban. Clear away. For now. Yeah, bro. This is what happens when you roll into town and you've got about 2 minutes to run into the shop to grab some food. And you've been on your bike all day long. It looks something like this. Good times. Khancoban Caravan Park. Camp kitchen right there. Off to the pub very soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the series so far. If you are, please hit the like and the subscribe button. Wondering whether you should sign up for something like this? The answer is yes. Do it. Do it now.